Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME 5i and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Backup and Reset, and as you can see right here we've got a whole Google Backup section, and the backup account option is inactive, so obviously we have to turn on this option just by tapping on this switcher at the very top, and now we can tap on Backup account in order to add it. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new account if you don't have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Let's tap on next if you're ready. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you will receive all the info you need. Just tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept because we should receive, let's say, more clear. Okay, not now. Unfortunately, we did not receive the list of what the backup includes, but no worries, I remembered that. So the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. What's more, here you've got also, let's say, a shortened information about that. So actually, this is it. As you can see here, we just added, here we've got our previously added Google account. So it means that from now on, all the content which I've mentioned will be stored on the Google Drive. What's more, here we've got also the automatic restore option. So after keeping it turned on, your device will restore backed up settings and data after you will reinstall some apps. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your REALME 5i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.